what's up guys? Some things changed. So I moved my desk into my bedroom and then I built this. This is the boxes that my computer came in. I stacked one on top of the other. And over here is my tripod, which you can't see because obviously I have some lights here. This is very wrinkly. What? Please try to ignore that. That's not here. The wrinkles don't exist. They're just a trick of the light. They're not actually here. Does this thing do anything? I also have this like metallic sign on the wall that can like reflect light back, but I don't think it's doing its job right now. That's all. Welcome. This is official desk tour setup thing. Bye. Love you.